Nikakam.
Kamiklaya Farmers Empowerment Commission kala Pynlong yang Jingïalang stakeholder conference kaba Sngi Lynter ban Kyntiew yang kam Ngap lani ka apiculture hakatan Shatei ngi ha state convention center halor kapang NMR testing of honey and the creation of honey database for Northeast India. Haba ajing keren hakani ka Jingïalang Dr. A. Lily ubadai director ka NCL ulang ba jushim yang nuksa Ngap na uju Ngap na kajo ka Thaiñ bat na kajo ka Jakari Ngap. Henry la jupunmi yak hakipor ba per jong unu snam. Ulang ru ba kakanhon NCL ka jupun kre ki nuksa ki badai ban ther bat wat nya bat kumno ki ken ki dia ban batai pensyaya ka Ngap ka babha bat ka babiang tam. Ban pensong thu kham syaya ki nongwan sim benta Syapang ban Kyntiew syu ya kam Ngap kani commission kalapan iru ya kirkom trekam ki baharukam.
From the same bee, from the same region, from the same farm, but produced at different times of the year or produced on different years will be identical. They will never be identical. There is going to be a variability. And therefore, the statistical analysis of the NMR data is as crucial as producing the data. And I think what the NCL group has managed to do, and you will see it in the presentation, is to put all of these together.